Hi, welcome to Listening for Lainey, an online multimedia experience that facilitates learning and application of techniques needed for the appropriate support of a young cochlear implant user in the classroom. The user is automatically taken to the Lightbox. Directs the user to the purpose of the site as well as how to get started. Welcome to the homepage. A website was chosen for the audience of this site, the busy teacher. It is a place that the teacher can visit prior to the school year as well as when needed. The homepage is the first place they visit, and it has all the tools needed to get a new staff member started on Lainey's journey, as well as any quick links that returning staff can access. As you can see from the navigation bar, the content is segmented and easily signals the user to the areas that they can access. These are two of the multimedia theories used in the design of the site. The site starts with Lainey's first tip. That is to watch her video that gives us a tour. These tips, as well as the language of the website, is based on the personalization theory of multimedia. It speaks directly to the audience. After Lainey's first tip is the video that she made that shows her users everything about the site. Underneath that, you will find Lainey's story, which was written by her mother, which explains Lainey's hearing loss as well as their goals for her in the future. The footer of the site mirrors the navigation bar that you'd find at the top of the website, as well as has any quick links that are taught throughout the site if needed, as well as any reports and the team forum that the team may need. Another important feature of the homepage would be any updated articles that the team finds important that can easily be found on the homepage. Next, we're taken to the General Information page. This page is segmented into three main sections, as well as these links take the user to each area. The first area is hearing loss and its impact. Here I was able to give specific examples of Lainey's personal impacts of her hearing loss. Below that, you will see a section on how the cochlear implant works. The video was chosen as part of the design process to allow users to see how the cochlear implant works with the child's brain. The last section on this page used a list format in order to break down the information and have it be less cumbersome, as well as one of Lainey's important tips to make sure that everyone on her team knows they are an important member. The next section is the equipment section. It's segmented into two sections. It's made up of videos and images of Lainey's equipment to give visuals for the new learners as they learn the new vocabulary. You'll see throughout the cochlear implant section, some have both visuals and video. Some are just video. Some have images as well as Lainey's tips. And as we move into the FM system, again we have visuals as well as a video that I made about the FM system, and it ends with one of Lainey's important tips. The teaching strategies page speaks directly to the staff. It's segmented into four main sections. I try to break this page up by using lists, images, and tips from Lainey. I also used external links to keep content off the page to keep it less overwhelming and try to reduce cognitive load. As you can see, each section is set up clearly by its title, external links, Lainey's tip, which is also illustrated by a diagram, lists, and some more external links. The peer support page is made for Lainey's classroom peers. It has a video made up with Lainey and some of her friends. Its intention is to speak to her classmates to help them understand her hearing loss and how they can help her listen. Below that is a poster that can be printed out and hung in her classroom to help her classroom peers. The page titled Teacher Support is a page that lists the links that I often use for support. I thought it would be helpful for her staff to have easy access to the links. As you can see, I've listed organizations as well as important professionals within the field of hearing loss. The last piece I want to show you is the team forum. This social learning environment will be a place where the team can ask and answer questions, build ideas, and share successes. The anticipated outcome of the forum is that teachers can gain knowledge and ownership over the educational outcomes for Lainey, which is their common interest. This community of practice will take place in a forum using the web-based site Mute. The forum is built into the website, therefore it is within the context of the learning community. Thank you for watching my presentation of my capstone project for the IDM program.